Whether you're hauling gear for work, heading out on an adventure, or just looking to keep your truck bed secure, TrailFX has the perfect tonneau cover to match your lifestyle, needs, and budget. Choose between the RC1 Retractable, HF3 Hard Folding, HF3 Pro Hard Folding, soft folding, or soft rolling options. From rugged utility to sleek design, each cover offers unique features and benefits to help you get the job done your way. Designed for modern truck owners, the RC1 features a smooth, sloped profile that seamlessly aligns with your tailgate. Top-of-bed rail mounting enhances water control and increases cargo clearance. Its compact canister design maximizes usable bed space, while black powder-coated aluminum ensures long-lasting durability. Built-in T-slots let you add crossbars for a full rack system, and no-drill installation with high-strength C-clamps means setup is fast and easy. With a 450 pounds evenly distributed load capacity, the RC1 combines strength, flexibility, and function. With a sleek, low-profile design that mounts inside the bed rails, the HF3 brings a clean, finished look to your truck. Its aircraft-grade aluminum panels are coated in semi-gloss black powder and UV protected for long-term performance. Rubber perimeter seals protect against water intrusion, while integrated buckle straps and support rods allow for operation in fully closed, partially open, or fully open positions. Internal pull cables make panel release simple, and a tailgate seal enables secure closure. No need to lift the cover. For those wanting a more refined finish, the HF3 Pro delivers. Its flush-mounted matte black aluminum panels include a carpeted underside to reduce noise and protect cargo. Like the HF3, it offers multi-position access with secure straps and rods. Full perimeter seals and integrated drain tubes enhance water resistance, and a tailgate lock compatibility ensures your gear stays protected. Looking for simplicity and style? The soft folding cover features a sleek, low-profile vinyl tarp and supportive frame to shield your cargo from the elements. Fold it fully, 1/3, or 2/3 open, and secure it with snap buckle straps. Weather-resistant seals help keep moisture out, and a quick-release system allows tool-free operation. Use it with your tailgate lock for added peace of mind. For lightweight, full bed access on the go, the soft rolling cover is a smart solution. Its durable vinyl cover and aluminum rails install easily with a no-drill, hook and loop system. The roll-up design allows for fast access to your cargo while keeping a low profile when closed. Integrated tailgate lock compatibility helps keep your load safe and secure. Compare the features and benefits of each model to find the best match for your needs. Whether you're prioritizing access, style, weather protection, or budget, TrailFX has a tonneau cover that fits. Need help or step-by-step installation guidance? Visit our YouTube channel for install videos or reach out. Our TrailFX team is always here to support you.